The UK Border Force examines the boat associated with the failed migrants' landing. Questions are raised as to whether there's more of the same to come.
You have to question why is the government playing catch-up on this issue. They really should have been well prepared for something like this.
20 people were on board, most of them Albanian, but 2 of them are British. 1 woman and 2 children were also on the inflatable speedboat.
We heard the helicopter. It was really loud. It was just circling for, gosh, what was it, about over half an hour.
As security is heightened at the Channel Tunnel and in Dover, there are fears other less protected areas will become more vulnerable.
This is a priority area. It's an area where we need to have the resources to do the job. I think people are very alert to the risk that exists, and resources have been allocated to combat it.
From tomorrow, new laws will give the Border Force extra powers. They'll patrol more of the coastline too, but there are worries that it won't be enough to stop illegal migrants risking everything to get into Britain. Richard Gaisford, Good Morning Britain.